Yeah, shall we start? Okay. Yeah, a warm welcome to all of you present over here. I'm KES Srinivas, convener of SA NITK. Thank you for showing your interest in joining SA NITK. Now, in this pre-recruitment talk, we'll be showing what all SA has done through in the previous academic years and what is its legacy and what are we going to do this year, what are our projects, and how is the recruitment process for you all. We'll be giving a glimpse through all these things so that you can have a smooth process in the recruitments. Okay. Firstly, I want to introduce what is SAE. Lucky, can you move to the next slide? SAE is an international organization started in early 19s. It is early 1900s. It is formerly known. It was SAE International, and SAE India is a part of SAE International. SAE India consists of around 500 collegiate clubs. So SAE NITK is one of the collegiate club among those 500. Being a part of SAE NITK, you can connect with all those 500 collegiate clubs and have your interactions with other engineering professionals as well that I will discuss later in the next slides. The principal focus of SAE is, as you know, the name suggests, Society of Automotive Engineers. We mainly concentrate on automotives, both electric vehicles, combustion vehicles, and hybrid electric vehicles. We also concentrate on aerospace, projects related to aerodynamics, and also other concepts related to mobility engineering, such as hyperloops, etc. Can you move to the next slide? Okay, let us know what are the perks of joining SAE India. SAE India, as you know, it consists of around 500 collegiate clubs all over India. You'll actually get practical exposure to you'll be able to connect with engineering professionals. Like presently, we are doing a project under Garrett Motion. It's an automotive company situated in North India. We are participating in that project competition. In this way, you can get an interaction with the engineering professionals. There, you can improve your connections, and also we organize many events. Like the events and all will be discussed by the event coordinators and the core committee members. Apart from these events and activities, mainly give you indulge in you the leadership skills, management skills, the people skills. Everything will be developed and through this leadership activities. And also, apart from organizing events, you also get a chance to see the quarterly SAE magazine, as you will be a member of SAE India. The same SAE India releases mobile magazines related to mobility engineering every quarter, every 3 months. So you can have a you can have a look through the latest trends and everything through that magazine. And yeah, of course, you will get large discounts on many webinars. Even you'll especially have student discounts, and some webinars will maybe free for student members. In this way, SA gives us opportunity to learn new things, and those webinars will be related to automotive things and mechanical engineering and electrical engineering. You also get webinars related to softwares from SAE India as well. However, we SAE members also conduct KEPs, that is knowledge exchange programs. And yeah, at least like around 2 or 3 people from each and every collegiate club gets a chance to visit an industry for free. There will be industry visits organized by SAE India around once in 2 months or once in 3 months. Around 2 or 3 members from our club can be nominated and visit the industry for free. This is one of the biggest perk. Like this is one of the major perk that you get to visit an actual industry. You can learn from the engineering professionals in that industry. So yeah, this is a big deal for you, for everyone. And above all, we have projects. Projects are our topmost priority. And yeah, you do projects, you get everything, like the entire technical knowledge useful for your higher studies, useful for your placements, etc. You gain a lot of experience by doing these projects and other leadership activities. Now I would like to Lucky, can you move next slide? Yeah, now we would like to discuss about SAE NITK, the Society of Automotive Engineers NITK chapter. Guhan, can you please continue with the next proceedings with respect to SAE and ITK?
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Ishwar. So hello everyone. Good evening. I'm Guhan, a member of the technical SIG at SAE and ITK and the treasurer of SAE and ITK. So as you all can see, we have three SIGs over here, namely technical, media, and web development. So different members of the club will be speaking to you about each of these SIGs in detail. Lucky, next slide. So to give you all a brief introduction about the technical SIG and the areas of interest. So our areas of interest is anything and everything related to automobiles, such as manufacturing processes, the design processes, robotics, finite element analysis, computational fluid dynamics, etc. And our projects are also based on various subsystems of the automobile, such as braking systems or aerodynamic analysis, etc. And to keep up with the industry trends and the future requirements, we all very well know that electric mobility is the future, and hence a majority of our projects and activities will be focused on the electric mobility sector. Lucky, next slide. And we also know that engineering is becoming very much interdisciplinary nowadays, and hence a lot of emerging technological domains such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, etc., is being extensively applied in the automotive sector. And hence, those of you interested in these domains are also welcome to join the club and explore your interest with respect to the automotive sector. We have also mentioned business as a separate area of interest over here. So this is something that we are beginning this year newly. So we would be venturing into the business side of things in the automotive sector and carrying out various projects such as case studies or financial model analysis or business model analysis of various automotive companies. So if you guys are interested in the business management and want to explore the automotive sector, you guys are welcome to join the club, and you would be building something from scratch based on your original ideas, since we are starting something new this year. There's nothing that is existent right now. And also once you get into your third years and fourth years, you would be leading a team of individuals who are specifically interested in the business domain. And on the other hand, we are also planning to step up our marketing game. And so those of you who are interested in marketing are also welcome to join the club. Lucky, next slide. So this is an overview of the projects that we carried out in the previous academic year, and there are a total of 6 projects ranging over various topics such as the steering systems in vehicles, the energy storing body panels in electric vehicles, and the PID controllers, which implements the control system theory that we learn in college, and then the CFD analysis based project. And we had a project where we constructed open loop and closed loop systems of ABS in the Simulink and analyzed those systems. And with respect to the aerodynamic analysis, we had an aerodynamic analysis of helicopter seats. So to know more about our projects, you can always refer to our social media handles. Feel free to do so. Lucky, next slide. Coming to the KEPs and webinars, these KEPs and webinars are conducted throughout the year, and it is open to the members of SAE and ITK as well as the other students of NITK. And most of our KEPs are related to the software related topics. And we also conduct various webinars such as the GATE preparation webinar or the internship preparation webinar, which is very beneficial for the overall student community. Lucky, next slide. So this is a list of KEPs that we conducted in the previous academic year. As you can see, there are quite a few design and analysis softwares, and Adobe Photoshop was also conducted with respect to the requirements of the media team. Lucky, next slide. And these are the 2 KEPs that we conducted this year. The target audience for these KEPs were mainly the first years or the 2024 batch. And nevertheless, there are many more KEPs to come this year. Lucky, next slide. We also release blogs on a regular basis every week, and the topics for these blogs range over a variety of topics in the automotive sector. And the blog series is named as Tech Chronicles, and we upload our blog in the WordPress website and also on our social media handles. And one thing to note over here is that not only the technical members of the club get the opportunity to author blogs, but then the members of the web development SIG and the media SIG are also given the opportunity to author blogs. From here, I request Mihir to take over. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Meir. I'm the media coordinator of the club. I'll be talking about the media SIG. So the media SIG consists of 4 teams, the graphic designing team, video editing team, the content writing team, and the social media handling team. So the graphic designing team is responsible for making posters for the blogs, KPs, and Project Expo, which are to be uploaded on social media so that the club has a better reach. And the video editing also has a similar role, except they just make videos for the same. For example, if we would like to publicize our project expo, the video editing team is responsible for making the videos for the publicity. Then the content writing team is responsible for writing out, for editing the blogs mainly, and then they also make the spam messages for the KEPs, Project Expo, the blogs, etc. The content writing team is also responsible for editing the annual magazine of the club, which is called TechBuzz. Next, the social media handling team is responsible for uploading whatever the media team has made onto our social media platforms. Lucky, can you go to the next slide? So I'll be talking about the annual magazine now. So this year we published the second version of our magazine called TechBuzz, and it was themed electric vehicles. And this year we had a total of around 13 articles, and we hope to keep increasing the number this year and keep improving the magazine year by year. Next slide. Yeah, so these are the social media platforms that we are active on. There is Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, WordPress, and YouTube, and we hope to explore other platforms as well in the coming years. Next slide. Yeah, so the web development team. The web development team was started in the previous year itself, and so it's pretty new. It mainly develops the official website of our club. And so for front end they work on the React.js framework, and for backend they work on Django and Python. And for their main role is to upload the blogs and events regularly on the website, and coming up with new ideas for new pages and UI features. Next, I would like Srivatsa to take over and explain the recruitment process.
Hello guys, I'm Srivatsa. I'm a third year mechanical engineering student. I'm the event coordinator for SAE and ITK. So as mentioned, for all the three SIGs, we have planned recruitments so that it is at your convenience and it's flexible. So for the technical SIG, the recruitment part for second years will be, and the third years will be separate. So for second years, it will be an aptitude plus technical test held on 31st August. There will be two separate sections. You guys have to attempt both of them compulsorily. Followed by there will be a take-home assignment on 1st September, and there will be a technical plus HR interview after you submit the take-home assignment within the deadline. So for third years, you don't need to write a technical test or an aptitude test. You just need to submit your resumes, and you'll be having your interview, which is technical plus HR based on your resume and the skills you learned in your first 2 years and the projects you did. Lucky, next slide. So for the media SIG recruitment, so for the second years, you need to compulsorily write the aptitude test on 31st August. For writing the technical test, it's completely up to you whether you have interest on the technical side and you would like to take part in future. You are more than welcome to do it. But the aptitude test is compulsory for you guys. So followed by which you will get a take-home assignment on 1st September. You'll get ample time to work on it and submit the assignment within the deadline. Note that if you don't, if anyone doesn't submit take-home assignment, then he won't be considered for further processes. Followed by which there will be an interview based on the take-home assignment and the general skills and software he is equipped with. For third years, for the media SIG, we have resume review followed by a take-home assignment on 1st September and an interview. Again, third years don't need to have an aptitude test. So for the web development SIG recruitment procedure, we have for second years, again, they must compulsorily write the aptitude test. No need for any technical test. Technical test is completely optional for you guys. If you have interest and would like to take part, you're free to attempt it, but aptitude test is compulsory. You'll get a take-home assignment on 1st September. You'll again have ample time to complete it, followed by an technical plus HR interview. For third years, there'll be a resume review and there'll be take-home assignment, and followed by which there will be a technical plus HR interview. Note that many people have also opted for multiple SIGs. So you'll be very like you'll have very flexibility to attempt those, and you will have ample time also to complete all the assignments and tests. So no need to worry about it. Also, we have we are planning to expand to business. So for second years again, there will be a technical and aptitude test compulsorily on 31st August, followed by a take-home assignment and an interview. For third years, we have a resume review and a take-home assignment and interview as mentioned. So this is a business recruitment is a new thing that we have added this time. So we'll start from scratch as Guhan told. So we are looking forward for your batch. Lucky, next slide. So guys, if you have any queries related to any of the procedure or any of the club details or anything, you feel free to contact us anytime, and you're open to queries now.
Yeah, I got a DM that you are unable to access the chat box. If so, please raise your hands and you can unmute your mic and start asking questions. However, if there are any queries in the Google form, we'll check it out and we'll answer now. We got a question stating, do SAE make real cars as NITK Racing or BAFA? We exactly do not, we are open to make new cars, but we are, as of now, we are not participating in any competitions. We are participating in project competitions by industries. Like as I said, we have a project competition related to mechanical engineering given by Garrett Motion Technologies. In this way, we participate in like many competitions, not only a single competition. We are open to many competitions. Yeah. If the competition states to make a car, we are open to make a real car as well. I hope I answered the question. Total number of technical recruitments. It depends on your caliber. We take people who are good, who are committed, and who give effort to solve a problem. So we don't have a particular number. We usually are planning to take around 20 to 25 maybe. We are not fixed. It depends on you.
Also, guys, please note that you may not be restricted to any one SIG upon joining the club. You may always, even being in media and web development, you can always pitch in for projects. Or being in technical side, you can always help in web development or the business side that will be coming. So you are not restricted upon joining the club. You can be inter SIG as well.
Yeah, once you are in the club is yours. You can be in whatever SIG you want, but you need to give 100% in both the 6. Make sure. Any other queries? Okay.
Guys, feel free to ask your queries. You can either raise your hand or just put it in Google Form or also in chats in MS Teams. Anything works.
Okay, we'll be waiting for another 5 minutes maybe for the queries. Then I think we can have a conclusion. Make sure you join the WhatsApp group for any further updates.
What are the topics upon which you ask questions in aptitude test?
In aptitude test, we test you on various fields, like we test you on quantitative aptitude, we test you on logical reasoning, analytical thinking. Yeah, it's a basic coverage of all the fields. But in technical, we'll be covering your first year concepts and your plus 2 concepts. So technical test will not be so deep. It will be an easy test for you all. Yeah, all the best for your tests. Is that clear? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Regarding industry visits, which industries have you visited so far? Could you share any insights or experience in the past industry? In the past, could you share any insights or experience in the past industry visits? So recently, as you know, this is an club which has grown in the past 3 to 4 years to the maximum extent. So we have heard about industry visits in the 2-3 years only. Once the college reopens, we can have an open discussion for these industry visits. We haven't visited any industries so far. As per my knowledge, maybe our alumni, we are not sure about it. But yeah, there is an option where 2 or 3 people from collegiate club can visit the industry. What can we expect in the aptitude test and take-home assignment? I think the third years, can you answer this?
So aptitude test already Ishwar covered it. So for the take-home assignment, it will be regarding, so for example, in technical, depending on the topic you select, there will be a problem you will have to solve. And for web development and media, whatever team you want to be a part of, they'll ask you to do a small assignment based on that. So for example, content writing, you'll be asked to write an article on a certain topic or to summarize an article. Same for web dev. They might ask you to submit your previous works or projects, and they might give you a small question to solve.
Guys, for the technical section, the take-home assignment will be in 2 to 3 sections. So you'll have a mechanical section particularly and a circuit section. You can attempt any one out of that, and the questions will be quite general, related to automotive industry, some numericals, or what interesting phenomena is there. It will be based on what you guys have noticed till far, or the +1 +2 knowledge that you guys have gained, or the first year knowledge that you have. So nothing outside will be asked. It will be just to test whether you are how well you know the things and how well you are ready to work on things. That's it. Also, for in the test that will be conducting, the aptitude test and the technical test will be separate, as mentioned. So the technical test will have 2 sections, that is mechanical and electrical, the circuit one. So you may opt either one of them or both of them, and you'll go to the next page. So choose wisely, because that will decide what your interview will be based on. So be careful while attempting the test, especially the technical one.
What will be the duration of test, aptitude or the technical?
The aptitude, as of now, we have planned for 15 minutes, followed by 15 minutes for technical. We'll give a buffer as well of 2 to 3 minutes, so that technical issues, if there are any encountered, can be mitigated.
Yeah, Guhan, you can explain about the take-home assignment of business as well.
Yeah, so for the business, we'll be giving you a case study. The aptitude and technical test will be the same as the one that the technical SIG applicants are writing. So it is basically because we just want you to have some basic technical knowledge, so that you can apply it with respect. You can have the perspective with respect to business and technology. And coming to the take-home assignment, it will be a case study and certain basic questions on your understanding of the business world and your understanding of the automotive world. So the main element is the case study, where we'll be giving you a situation, and based on the situation, we'll be asking you certain questions. You need to give your original ideas to solve those problems, and then finally you'll be having a normal interview where we'll be asking you questions based on your interests and your assignment submission.
And yeah, regarding the take-home assignments, you cannot just directly copy and paste from the internet directly. That will directly deduct your marks in the take-home assignment. Make sure you're going in a proper manner, not plagiarizing anything. You can always search the internet or any other resources for your references, but give your own thinking, give your own perspectives in the take-home assignment. The way you write a take-home assignment, based on that, and based on the interview, we take into the club.
So guys,
Yeah.
please note that for the take-home assignment, your answers will be judged based on the points and the quality, not on quantity. So don't try to include much and beat around the bush. Just be straight to the point with your facts and equations.
Okay. Are there any more questions? Yeah, CGPA doesn't matter for the recruitments. You all test your knowledge, your commitment, and your way of thinking. CGPA is not a thing that we include in our recruitments. Okay, I think these are the questions. Yeah. I guess we can conclude.
Yeah, if you have any other questions, you can message any of us on WhatsApp.
Yeah.
If you face any issues regarding take-home assignments or while tests you have some technical issues or internet issues, contact us as soon as possible. We'll try to respond immediately. Yeah, Raghav.
So when is the tentative dates for technical interview?
As of now, we have planned to give the take-home assignment deadline for about 2 to 3 days. After that, immediately we are planning on the first weekend of September.
Cool. Thanks. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you everyone for attending the pre-rec talks. You're always open to your queries and feel free to discuss with us in the WhatsApp groups or personal messages also will do. Thank you very much for attending. You guys can disperse now. SA members, please stay.